Find Cinco de Mayo recipes. Every year, we have a fabulous opportunity to celebrate Mexican heritage. Even if you don't have a family tree that takes you south of the border, you can still enjoy the rich culture that Mexico brings to our country. Of course, one of the best ways to celebrate this is with some authentic cuisine. Thankfully for those of us who don't know the first thing about making guacamole, there is a cornucopia of resources available to make sure that your culinary needs are met and that you find those perfect Cinco de Mayo recipes. The first place that any fledgling chef should check out first is the Cinco de Mayo section of food.com. This section should not only tell you what dishes are popular, but also shows you what you're getting into. This can be enormously helpful if you just can't remember what your favorite Mexican dish is called. While food.com can be a great starting point to help you decide on the kinds of dishes you'd like to prepare, it might not help you find the Cinco de Mayo recipes that you're looking for. That's when I turn to allrecipes.com's much wider selection of recipes. Here, you can find Cinco de Mayo recipes that have been reviewed by other users. This way, you know what you're getting into. If you've had enough of online resources, fear not, because while there are many web pages there are to learn about the best dishes to use for Cinco de Mayo, you can also hit your local bookstore. While you'll find it difficult to find books that are specifically about the cuisine you should serve on Cinco de Mayo, you should easily find great Mexican cookbooks in the international food section. These books range from those designed for beginners, such as Mexican Cooking for Dummies by Susan Feniger, Mary Sue Milliken, and Helene Siegel, all the way to more advanced cooking manuals such as Mexicocina, The Spirit and Style of the Mexican Kitchen by Betsy McNair and Melba Levick. These resources represent just the tip of the iceberg. While you may feel overwhelmed by the breadth of resources available, remember to keep the holiday spirit and have fun. Every year, you can find new Cinco de Mayo recipes to try and enjoy, as there is certainly a wide and wonderful world of Mexican recipes to explore.